LanguageCert Achiever B1, Entry Level 3, International ESOL Speaking. My name's Angelina. Are you Ali, right?
Yes, I'm Ali.
Can you spell your family name, please?
Yes, Ali, Ali, IMDAD Imdad.
Thank you. Which country are you from?
I am from Pakistan.
Thank you. Now, part one. I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your ideas. Let's talk about manners. How important are good manners in your country where you live?
Yes, the manners is very important, basic things in all societies, in all countries. In my countries, it's a manner is a very important things because here our society is different. We teach the kids and the children how to deal with elders and how to deal with olders. So it's very important basic things. So manners, even for youngers, manner is a very important things in our society.
All right. Let's talk about organic food. Why do some people believe that food in the past was healthier than today?
Yeah, it's true. I agree with it. The food in the past was more healthier than today because their food was organic and simple food. But right now in these days, all food, or you can say, um, like a fast foods and not maintains the ingredients which are very healthy and healthy and strong for the health. No, all ingredients are using only to do everything in hurry. So people don't have time to get or also problem the organic food are expensive, so people don't have money too much or even time to buy organic food.
Let's talk about green travel. Why do you think people believe that travel is bad for the planet?
Sorry.
Travel is bad for the planet. Why do people think that traveling is bad for the planet, for the earth?
uh I'm not on traveling is the bad for earth.
For the planet. Planet means earth. Why green travel means it's about protecting environment. So why do you think people believe that traveling is bad for the environment? This is what it means, planet
Yes,
or earth. Yeah.
yes, of course. People thinks about the traveling, any one person is traveled, must he will use the any transport. The transport burn the fuel, and in results will the carbon dioxide will increase the ratio in atmosphere. That is the people think about it. They are increasing the pollution in atmosphere. That is they think it's bad for the planet.
All right. Thank you so much. Now let's talk about the part two. We're going to role play some situations. I want you to start or respond. First situation, we are friends. I start. You did so well in your exam. Can you give me some advice on preparing for it?
Yes, I will tell you some advice about your exam.
Yes. What would it be?
You must be prepared and concentrate the time of exam. Concentrate on your exam, and before go to exam, you must have take a rest because for you have to prepare for tomorrow your examination. And one thing is more, be confident during your exam.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Thank you so much for your advice. Next situation. We are colleagues. We are worried about our new manager. You start.
Yes, this manager is also really annoyed person. He's always pushing us to do more work, more work. It's really hard. And he is never happy with us. We are doing all our efforts. What do you think?
Yeah, that's so true. I already feel so tired.
Yeah.
So what could we do to keep up with him because he's gonna stay? He's our new manager.
Yeah, we have to do work with him. We don't have choice to change the job right now. So we have to keep up with him.
Yeah, that's all right. That's a good idea. Thank you so much. This is the end of part 2. Now part 3. I'm going to share a question on the screen. I would want you to discuss something with me. Now part 3. Our teacher is retiring next month, and we are planning to give the teacher a retirement party. Let's plan and decide together. Here are some ideas. I'll start. I think we should have the party next Saturday.
Yeah, next Saturday is a nice. It's good for me also because the next day is off. We can enjoy a party at late night.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And what about who could attend the party?
I think the all class should be attend the party because all have to say goodbye to teacher.
And what about how we're gonna get them all together and what are we going to do there at the party?
We will make our photographies and we will do dinner together and we will arrange a gift for the teacher.
Oh, well, that's a brilliant idea. And where would the party be held?
I think is I think school hall is the best option.
All right. And what present would you like to go? What present would you like to give to your favorite teacher?
I would like to give a present from my side. I prefer to give her a cake.
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. And what about the goodbye cards?
Yeah, it's also good idea. We will design a different type of goodbye cards and our teacher will be happy to see it.
Yeah, that's definitely fantastic. That's cool. Thank you so much. This is the end of part 3. Now, part 4. I want you to talk about your ideal home for 90 seconds. You have 30 seconds to think about the topic.
My topic is ideal home. Yeah. My ideal home, I want the home with the garden, with the very nice greenery, plots and the trees, parking areas, swimming pool, and I prefer to my home in a very luxurious areas. And if I will talk about inside my home, the design I prefer to my home in in 2 floors. The ground floors, it's all area for only guests and friends will be there in kitchens and sitting areas and TV lounge. That's it. And the second floor will be for bedrooms and resting areas with attached baths. That is my favorite. I dreamed like to make this home. And if you will talk about the front elevation, I preferred in front of my house mostly work in glass because I like it very much in front elevation to using the glass.
Thank
And
you.
if I
Thank you so much. Now I'll ask you some follow-up questions. Which would be the most important factors when choosing your ideal home?
you must have to see location of your home, where is it, and the surrounding nearby areas, what is the facilities.
All right. And why do you think people didn't care so much about decoration in the past?
I think there is 2 reasons. One is that they don't have awareness about it, the decoration are in designing, or the second things can be possible, they don't have enough funds for that.
All right. And how important is it to buy expensive furniture?
It's not important, in my opinion, it's not important to buy expensive furniture, but it's important to suitable for your house. You have to buy furniture if you can afford.
All right. My last question to you is it easy to have your own unique decorating style nowadays?
Sorry, please repeat again, ma'am.
Is it easy to have your own unique decorating style nowadays?
Yeah, it's easy. You can decorate on your own ideas your home, because every person have different ideas in decorated home. Some people's like more classic work, but the other hands, the people like a modern work. It's easy to what you choose.
Thank you so much. This is the end of the test, and your score is brilliant. There's a chance that you will get a high pass, 40 plus. It might lie from 45, 46, 47, 48, or even 50, right?
Thank
So
you
let's
very
hope for
much.
the best.